Market conditions remaining mildly bearish in this bull market, having some constructive bullishness though yesterday. We'll take a look at that. We saw momentum working its way back towards that bullish trend zone, and just in a slight move yesterday. We did see breadth also remaining in that upper range also and continuing to show some strength, and sentiment also getting a little bit of a tick back to the upside. So we saw a little bit of a constructive bullish day yesterday, also seeing buy-sell ratio still above that one, well above that at 3.15, and having this little bit of a retracement right here didn't really move that needle a whole lot. Still seeing nice breadth across the board, and sentiment sitting at a bounce there right at 53, above that 50% area on the trend line. We're seeing really a nice strong bounce in at locations inside of that 236 area. We talked about this 546 range, and it's we saw S&P 500 at least have a little bit of an update yesterday. We'll see if we can get any follow through on that today, and also seeing those small cap names. We've been talking about Russell 2000 and seeing that having a real strong move yesterday, in also bouncing off that 236, that 218 number on small cap. Keep an eye on those. Also seeing sectors, having a couple of these sectors move back down into that hold range, but they look like retracements for the most part. If we click on a couple of these basic materials, seeing this uptrend, a little bit of a pullback right here, see if it can find some support, and then also some of these others which are technology, some support right around that 236 area as well. So some of those sectors that are showing some weakness are at an area where they could start to see a bounce. Also looking at commodities, seeing gold back down to that support area now. An attempted breakout here around that 226 range. We'll see if it can hold up at that 219 area and maintain that upper momentum. And also silver getting a little bit more weakness than gold right here, dipping back into that $26 range. There could be a support range right here though, and watch to see if we can get any kind of momentum back for silver. Some muscle stocks group, the muscle stock group of the day, we're looking at continue to see biotech names showing some support here and some strength. Medical stocks not up. A lot of these are not in uptrends already. They've had deep retracements, but keep an eye on some of these as they're starting earlier trends. There could be some opportunity here, particularly since we're seeing small cap names start to come back into the market right here. Also seeing some other stocks like some cannabis names that are coming back in, particularly with all of the political background that happens with cannabis, and markets are showing some interest there as well. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.